Spring, summer, fall, or winter, kids home on break mean that our energy use is about to spike. General usage of lights and appliances will go up, along with use and charging of the ever-present electronics and handheld devices.
In 2023, 63% of Americans played mobile or console games regularly. That's a lot of gaming. Whether your game time is spent on gaming consoles, PCs, or handheld devices, we have some tips and guidance on how to keep power flowing to these systems in the most efficient way. First, we're going to talk about gaming consoles and some specifics on accessing their power-saving modes. Then we'll look at power and charging options that make choosing energy efficiency as easy as flipping a switch.
In the US, the three most popular gaming consoles are the PlayStation, the Xbox, and the Nintendo Switch. There are multiple generations of these systems still in operation, and almost all of them have an easy-to-access power-saving setting that you can engage.
PlayStation has a rest mode that allows the unit to hibernate while you're not playing it. This mode not only throttles down power usage and saves you money, but it maintains functionality and actually facilitates faster downloads and updates while the system isn't busy powering play. It can also continue to charge connected devices as needed. To access this mode, you can press the PlayStation or PS button on the controller. This brings up the taskbar menu. You can manage your preferences in this mode by going to Settings. From here, you can access the power options available and customize the settings to your needs, including which features you want working, like charging or updates, and set how long of a period of inactivity you want before it enters rest mode.
Now, on this and any of the consoles we talk about, the ultimate power-saving mode is to shut it all the way off. Most consoles have a switch or button on the console itself, as well as access to an off mode via the operational menus.
Switching all the way off, especially if you're away from the house, can protect the console for power surges or storms that could potentially corrupt the operation of the machine. Low power mode for the Xbox is also referred to as shutdown. This mode cuts the console's power use by 20 times and can be accessed in a matter of seconds. Press the Xbox guide button. This is the lighted Xbox logo in the center of your controller. Once in the pop-up menu, navigate to the Profile and System tab. It should be the one farthest to the right. When you've opened this tab, scroll down and select Settings. In Settings is a General tab. Click that and scroll to the right to select Power Options. Selecting that button will show you your options. Select Shutdown Mode.
You'll know it's enabled when it's green and it says Active at the bottom. You can further customize these settings by navigating right to the Customize Power options. Automatic downloads and updates are still available in this power-saving mode, and booting up for play is still fast while saving energy and money.
The Nintendo Switch family of products have multiple power-saving functions, including sleep mode and an auto sleep function. Sleep mode consumes the less energy while maintaining basic functionalities like charging and keeping the internet connection live. It also facilitates a quick resumption of the last activity when you come back to the console.
As with any electronic device, turning it off if you're not using it is the best power saver. To turn it off, hold the power button on the console down for 5 seconds. From the menu that pops up, select Power Options. Using the controller, scroll down to turn off and hit the A button. This helps reset and preserve the hardware, as well as saving power.
For sleep mode, you can simply push the button on top of the console to enter sleep. Or using the controller, you can hold down the home button on the right-hand controller and select sleep mode when the pop-up window appears. Either of these options are great when it's time to take a break.
No matter what type or generation of system you have, check the settings or operating instructions to see if you can engage a power-saving mode. If your system doesn't have one, you still have options for easy power down and saving energy.
A good way to manage the power demands of any type of entertainment system is to plug them into an advanced power strip. Not only do power strips of this type protect your valuable electronics from power surges, they're easy to switch off when the components are not in use to make sure you're not letting power trickle away.
Power strips are also a great solution for device charging, allowing you to turn the whole thing off when everything is charged with just one flick of a switch or a quick unplugging of the strip.
Here are some other ways to stay energy efficient while gaming. Invest in energy efficient hardware. When purchasing a new console, look for models known for their energy efficiency. Manufacturers often provide energy ratings.
Be smart with accessories. It's not just the main units using energy. Accessories like gaming chairs and VR headsets can draw more power than you think.
Regular maintenance. Frequently clean your hardware. Dust and debris can make your system work harder, therefore using more energy. Clean out vents and consider internal cleanings to remove dust from components, ensuring your system runs smoothly and energy efficiently.
You can keep fun in your break without breaking the bank. For more energy-saving tips and advice for your PowerHouse, visit our website at powerhousetv.com. Did you know? The average video game console will use around 90 watts of power when it is being actively used for gaming and 1 to 2 watts during standby mode when the console is off but plugged in.